Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In few minutes I'll be teaching you how to make this design on your senator dress, on your kaftan, even on your blouse as a lady. So all you have to do is just to watch carefully without skipping any part of this video, and I'll be done in a little while. Trust me, I don't fail in this aspect. So this is what I'll be doing right in this video as we go right away. So before we start, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. I'm Oden Shalom. This is Oden's Fountains Fashion, where fashion tips are revealed and fashion secret unfolded. If you haven't subscribed as a new viewer, hurriedly hit the subscribe button, like and share, turn on your notifications so that will get you in touch each time I upload a new video. So without further delay, we are going to jump right into the lesson. So this is me and this is my fabric. I'll be making use of two different fabric. Are you seeing this and this one? So I will be cutting it like I have done. So I have all my bodies all cut in place. This is the front. So, and this is the hairstyle I've cut for it. And this is the under, like that is used as the lining, and my back bodies, my back facing, and my sleeves. So these are the down, the band for the down. Have you seen the gum for the band and the band itself? So I will be making sure this lesson is very clear. So this hairstyle will be going to these main bodies. I have gummed the hairstyle just like you have seen. So I'll be doing the marking with my pen so as for the design to come out the way it is. You know, it's not straight and all that. I need a pen, my tape, and a ruler. So since this thing is on fold, I'm marking 1 inches so that if it is open, it will be 2 inches. Have you seen? I'm drawing that line straight. And from all of the rest, I'll be marking 2 inches each. So I want a line of 2 inches all through. That is what I'm marking right away. I'll be rolling and connecting all those points. So I've turned to the other side and I'm doing the same thing also. So look at it. The middle line is also 2 inches. Have you seen? Because it was on fold. Now that I'm done, I'll be putting it like this, and I'll be using this as an illustration. That is not the real point. I'll draw it on. So this is how I want my shape to be. Have you seen? This is the shape I want from all of them. So I'll be using that to sketch all the rest. But now I will not use that box anyways. So I have to draw, the line I'm drawing there is 1/1/4. Let me confirm. 1/1/4, have you seen? So I'll mark 1/1/4 to that point, and I will draw, connect those points as well. After connecting those points, I'm going to be notching those points there where those things meet, so that I will use it to mark the other side of the dress also. Look at those points, those notches. I'll be connecting them to the other notches as well. So this is what I have when I flip out this thing to the wrong side. So I'll be explaining these lines as I draw them. Have you seen? So these major lines I'm going to be cutting out, I'll be putting a stereo on them. I'll be marking them at the midpoint. marking them at the midpoint, each of them. So like this one, I'll be skipping this part, and having this thing here. Those 2 points, I'm putting my pen at the ones I'll be cutting out. Just watch. Make sure you watch carefully so that you don't get confused. So this one, my pen is going to be crossing the middle line. So if I'm not going to cut out that one, the middle line will not be crossed, just like the other ones that have only the V. Have you seen? So those are the points. And I will be doing the same thing all through to the down part of this dress. Let me fasten up so that continue to the next step. So I'll be marking them so that I don't forget. Have you seen? I've put a stereo. I've marked the midpoint of those points I'm going to be cutting out. Have you seen? So now what I'll be doing is I'll be skipping one box each to cut it out, like to mark for the holes, the design. Have you seen? Like I marked there, this one, and I will skip one again. And I'll mark the other side. Have you seen? So just watch. I'll skip this one here, mark this one, and I'll mark this one. I'll mark this one. I'm skipping one box each. You see? So that's how it is. I'll come here again, connect it up, and I will be skipping one box to have that shape. You see? So I'll mark this point, and I'll come down again, skip one, and mark this one. So that's just the way I'll be marking them all through. So you have to watch carefully so that you don't get confused along the line. So look at how it looks like, how it will look like after I fasten it. I'm making it so that I will not take much of your time. So let me mark them fast so that continue. So look at the final look. Have you seen? I've marked all of them. This is how it's supposed to look. All those points that you are seeing, those black dots I'm marking at the point I'll be cutting out. Watch carefully. Look at how I'm folding them. I held these two things, those two angles, folded them like this. And I'll be using my zigzag scissor. Have you seen? This scissor to cut it out. At the middle of the box is what I'll be cutting out. So look at what I have. Have you seen the shape? That's what I have there, the shape there. So that's the same method. I'll be folding it like this, putting it this way. That's the same method I will use to cut every of these boxes. Sorry. So my scissor was stiff because that place was thick. So have you seen? Look at what I have there. Look at it. So let me just fasten it so that you see the outcome of it. Look at the first stage. Have you seen? That's the first stage. And now I'll be marking the half, and you see it. Have you seen when it is half of it? So I want you to look very well, because I'll be making it slowly now, so that I'll be holding these 2 points, these 2 angles, and folding it like this. Have you seen? So I will double fold it again from the midpoint, making these 2 angles to meet like this. Have you seen? Then I'll cut at the middle of it, the middle of that box. That's what I have there. Have you seen? So that's what I've been doing all through. And now, since you are using that type of a scissor, you have to be very careful. So, but before I forget, there is this video I want you to watch. I know you will like it. Look at the video. I just uploaded it just some days ago. Just go there and watch this video. You will like it. It's very, very nice, both for male and female. So after I'm done, what I'll be doing is the next step to place the lining fabric. And I was looking for this like bad. I was like, wow, is it lost? So I had to place it this way, arrange it very well, because already I cut the lining fabric like 3/4 of an inch above the main bodies. So I'm placing my hemming gum at those points so that it will not shift, and I'll be sewing them like that. So, and I will use my iron to gum it all through. So make sure you gum it very well so that it will not be like moving around or something like that. So now that I'm done, this is the sleeve design I'll be doing again. This sleeve design, I want to just rush into it as we round up, like this design here. Let's just go into it. I have my own fabric here. The color I'm using for the lining of the bodies, 11 inches is cool. So I have my sleeves. From here, the folding is 7 inches to that point. I already folded it, having that line. Have you seen? And I folded my sleeves like into 2 again, and I'm having this point here. Sleeve already gummed with ST at the wrong side, and I folded this into 2. I'll be marking it to have the midpoint of this as well with my chalk. So the midpoint will be at the midpoint of those 2 lines, vertical and horizontal line. So I want to make that opening 6 inches so that it won't be too wide or that. That's just normal as it is. So and I'll be sewing it like this. Just watch carefully what I'll be doing. So look at how it is, and I will cut it out. You see, so I'll weave it, go ahead and weave it so that I'll go to the pressing table to give it a nice press. So this is it. Now I'll be doing it fast and sharply, man. So in case you have any fashion question, just drop it down below the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. I have very many online classes that I do for my subscribers. Most of them are free classes, and just turn on your notification so that I'll always get in touch with you. You get? So that is that. I will be giving it a nice press to see the outcome of it. So after I'm done doing that, I will be putting hemming gum at the back, just this way. So that's that. So I just wonder why you haven't followed me or subscribed to this channel. What's there? I make nice lessons. So that's, look at the look. Have Are you seeing? So I'll turn it like I'm doing, give it a nice press to make sure it is stayed up. Look at the final work. Tell me you don't like it. Look at the results. Tell me you don't like it. So what are you waiting for? Kindly hit the like button, subscribe, share, turn on your notifications so that I will be uploading videos like this for you. Alright, do have a wonderful time. Hope to see you in my next lesson, and be strong and courageous. Bye.